Tiong Bahru estates were revamped from Kampong Tiong Bahru by the SIT in the 1920s to improve the housing shortage problems. These pre-war apartments were built from 1936, starting from Block 55. Architecture design were inspired from a style called Streamline Modern, a late development of the Art Deco movement. Elements were clean curved shapes, rounded corners, long horizontal and vertical lines, flat roofs, and racing stripes.
Designs were influenced by the growing trend of modern travel. One example is from Block 82 with the nickname of Aeroplane building.
Here are some special design features for Tiong Bahru.
Today, let us show you one of the units that is on sale by us. Stepping into this spacious living room of this conserved apartment, the green rectangle patterns of terrazzo floorings resembles the original Tiong Bahru public housing tiles. And as a corner ground unit, there are more windows for more natural lightings and better ventilation. The window in the master bedroom frames a view of the iconic spiral stairs.
Gets kick.
High ceiling kitchen with a classic air vent. Spiral staircase were space-saving architecture designs adopted to serve as fireman escape route too. And as a ground floor unit, we get to enjoy a backyard accompanied by the spiral staircase. We come to the end of the video. We are Jay, Kenneth and Ethan, and we see you in our next episode.